Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this video will be all about the days of the week in Serbian language. I know I had made similar video on days of the week a few years ago, but I didn't explain how they came to be, the names of them, from which words and so on. So this one will be more detailed and better for you as you are learning Serbian language and want explanation to why the hell is this word constructed this way. So let's go. So the first day in Serbian language, Monday, is called ponedeljak. Ponedeljak. You can slow down the video or rewind a few times if you want to practice pronunciation while I speak. So, ponedeljak. Ponedeljak. How did it get created, this word? So it's basically named after Sunday. After. Nedeljak, Sunday. Nedelja is Sunday in Serbian language. So and posle means after in Serbian. So after Sunday, literally. Second day of the week is Tuesday, so it's utorak in Serbian. Utorak. Utorak. So it's related to the word second, as in drugi. Drugi in Serbian language. The way these two words are in modern Serbian, they do not look alike at all. But the connection can be seen through Russian. In Russian, the second is второй. Второй. And Tuesday is вторник. Or is it вторник? I'm not sure about the pronunciation of Tuesday in Russian, but in Old Church Slavonic, it was from word vtori, which turned into vtorak and then turned into utorak. So the we transformed into u. It happened with a lot of Serbian words through time. We switched to u sound, but that's for another episode. The third day of the week, Wednesday, is called sreda. 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 It basically means the middle of the week, because the middle is called sredina. Sredina. It also that word can also have another meaning. That's for another video. So it basically is called the middle of the week, sreda. The fourth day of the week is called četvrtak. 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 Yeah, it's a bit harder to pronounce because of a lot of consonants clustered together, but try. Četvrtak. Četvrtak. I know it's not separated that way when you by syllables, but so it's basically from number 4, četiri, and it means the fourth day of the week. Basically, just call četvrtak the fourth day of the week. Friday is petak. The fifth day of the week is petak. 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 It's also from number 5, pet, and it means, you guessed it, the fifth day of the week. A similar thing, beside other Slavic languages, the similar thing happens with Portuguese. So their week starts with Sunday, domingo, and the Monday is segunda-feira, Tuesday, literally the second day. Tuesday is terça-feira, third day. Wednesday is quarta-feira. Wednesday is quarta-feira. Thursday is quinta-feira. Friday is sexta-feira, and Saturday is sábado. So Portuguese also does similar thing, but they start their week with Sunday, so that's pushed by one number. So what's fourth day for us, it's fifth day for them, and so on. Saturday, our sixth day, Saturday, is called subota. It's from Hebrew word Sabbath. Sabbath, Shabbash. I found all three words, like you will see on the screen, the right word and the right spelling in Hebrew. In Judaism, that's seventh day, day for rest. This word has spread into other languages with the spread of Christianity, and none of the Slavic languages has saved their old name for that day. Maybe it was named before after number 6, šest, or something like that, šestica, something. But we don't know. We just don't know. So, and the seventh day of the week, Sunday, is called nedelja. Nedelja. It's composed from words ne, which is negation, no, and delja from delo, delati, delo as in work, delati as to work, so it basically translates to no work day. That's the day when you're not supposed to work. It should be dedicated to resting, like you can do your hobbies that day, or whichever, and to dedicate it to God, if you're a Christian, or well, okay, some Christian branches go to church on Sunday, some go on Saturday, but generally nedelja means day for rest. And also, how do you say week? You can call it either nedelja. Yes, it collides with Sunday, word for Sunday. I don't know how it came to be. And also you can call it sedmica. I think maybe Croats prefer using word sedmica. Sedmica comes from word 7, sedam, as in 7 days of the week, sedam dana u nedeli, sedmica. Also, for weekend, we adopted the English expression weekend. We write it as weekend. You also can call those 2 days, you also can call them as kraj nedelje, kraj sedmice, but I have never heard people actually using those expressions. Weekend is pretty much universal way of saying the last 2 days of the week, end of the week. So I hope this video was informative, good for learning a little bit about Serbian language, how it works, a little bit about pronunciation. And I hope to see you soon in another video. So until next time, vidimo se.